Are you curious about how Forbes identifies the most promising AI companies in the world? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the unique qualities that Forbes looks for in top AI startups. From innovative applications to sustainable business models and ethical considerations, we'll break down what makes these companies stand out. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or tech enthusiast, understanding these criteria can provide valuable insights into the future of AI. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes for an AI company to make the Forbes list. I'm Rafi, and welcome to the AI Lib. Forbes values AI companies that focus on real-world applications. It's not just about creating cutting-edge technology, it's about solving real problems. These startups address pressing needs in various industries, from healthcare to agriculture, by leveraging AI to improve efficiency, accuracy, and outcomes. For example, AI-driven diagnostics in healthcare can detect diseases earlier and more accurately than traditional methods, potentially saving lives and reducing treatment costs. In agriculture, AI can optimize crop yields and reduce waste, ensuring food security and sustainability. By focusing on tangible impacts, these companies prove that their technology is not only innovative, but also essential. This practical approach is what sets them apart and makes them indispensable in their respective fields. If you're interested in how AI is transforming these sectors, check out our other videos linked in the top right corner. Watch Top 5 Craziest AI Business Models for more on innovative AI applications and how AI is transforming the way we plant to learn about advancements in agriculture. Forbes highlights companies that develop broad and versatile AI tools. Unlike niche solutions, these tools have applications across multiple industries and can be adapted for various uses. This versatility makes them invaluable for businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations without needing to invest in multiple specialized systems. Think of large language models like GPT-4, which can generate text, translate languages, and even create code. These general-purpose tools democratize AI, making it accessible to a wider audience and enabling more companies to harness its power. This broad applicability not only drives user growth, but also fosters innovation across different sectors, allowing companies to experiment and find new ways to benefit from AI technology. Rapid growth and significant market presence are key indicators of a company's potential. Forbes looks for startups that have shown impressive user growth and adoption rates. This is a strong indicator of the company's market relevance and potential for scalability. Companies that quickly capture a large share of the market and maintain a strong presence demonstrate their ability to meet customer needs effectively. For instance, AI companies offering solutions for cloud computing or cybersecurity have seen rapid adoption due to the increasing demand for these services. Their ability to grow quickly and maintain relevance is crucial for long-term success. This growth not only reflects the immediate impact of their solutions, but also their potential to shape the future of their industries. Sustainable business models are a crucial factor in Forbes' evaluations. The ability to turn technological innovations into profitable businesses is essential for long-term success. Startups with clear strategies for monetization, such as subscription services, licensing, or enterprise solutions, are favored. This includes companies adopting a freemium model, offering basic services for free while charging for advanced features. Sustainable business models ensure that these companies can continue to innovate and grow without relying solely on external funding. This financial stability is key to their longevity and success in the competitive AI market. Companies that can balance innovation with profitability are more likely to thrive and continue making significant contributions to their fields. Forbes also looks for companies with strong leadership and a clear vision. Founders and executives who can articulate a compelling vision for the future and demonstrate the ability to lead their teams through challenges are highly valued. Strong leaders are able to inspire confidence in investors, employees, and customers alike. They are often seen as thought leaders in their industry, regularly contributing to discussions about the future of technology and business. This vision and leadership are crucial for guiding a company through the fast-paced and ever-changing landscape of AI. Companies led by visionary leaders are more likely to innovate continuously and adapt to new market demands, ensuring their long-term success. Now that we've explored the qualities that Forbes looks for in top AI companies, Let's dive into some real-world examples from the CB Insights report. This report highlights the most promising AI startups for 2024, providing a comprehensive overview of companies that embody these criteria and are making significant strides in their respective fields. By examining these examples, you'll see how the principles we've discussed are applied in practice and why these companies are set to shape the future of AI. Let's start with Atomic Industries, a startup revolutionizing the manufacturing sector with its AI-powered tools. By automating complex processes, they are increasing efficiency and reducing errors in production lines. This innovation is backed by venture arms of Porsche, Yamaha, and Toyota, indicating strong industry support and belief in their technology. Forbes values Atomic Industries for its practical application in a critical industry, showcasing how AI can enhance traditional manufacturing processes. Their rapid growth potential and sustainable business model further solidify their position as a leader. By addressing real-world manufacturing challenges, Atomic Industries exemplifies how AI can drive significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. Next, we have Rosebud AI, a company making waves in the gaming industry. Their text-to-game generation technology allows users to create video games using simple text descriptions. This innovation opens up game development to a broader audience, democratizing creativity and making game design more accessible. Supported by the co-founders of OpenAI, Rosebud AI stands out for its versatile tool that has wide-ranging applications beyond gaming, including education and entertainment. Forbes recognizes its potential for rapid market adoption and its unique approach to integrating AI into creative fields. Rosebud AI is a prime example of how versatile AI tools can empower individuals and industries alike, fostering innovation and creativity. Lastly, Shield AI is a standout in the defense sector. Their autonomous AI pilot technology, HiveMind, can operate without GPS or communications, making it invaluable for military applications. This capability ensures reliability and efficiency in critical situations where traditional communication methods might fail. With backing from NVIDIA, N72, and Sunny, Shield AI is at the forefront of AI-driven defense technology. We have visuals of a Shield AI programmer who also served as a test pilot, experiencing a flight at 500mm feet. As she said, "The opportunity to watch my algorithms perform from the backseat of a jet aircraft flying at 500mm feet is truly one of a kind." Forbes highlights this company for its focus on real-world applications in a highly specialized field, demonstrating the strategic importance of AI in modern defense. Shield AI showcases the potential of AI to enhance capabilities in critical areas, making it a leader in the industry. So, what do you think? These AI companies are transforming their respective industries with innovative solutions and sustainable business models, all while maintaining ethical standards. Forbes' criteria for identifying the most promising AI startups ensure that only the best make the list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for more insights and stories from the world of technology. I'm Rafi, and this is the AI Lib. Stay tuned.